Hi, I'm Matt. I'm here at BMW Park Lane and I'm here to collect my M135i courtesy of BOTB.
So congratulations once again, Matt. I'd like to introduce you to your new M135i.
Wow. Thank you. Looks great.
Yeah, it's incredible. It's a beautiful car. So Matt, just want to give you a quick tour of the car, take you around the outside and then we'll get to the inside and show you how everything works. First thing I'm going to point out is the grille, specific and individual for the 135. It makes it stand out from all other 1 Series. We've also then got LED headlights, and then coming around we've got the optional 19-inch wheels, which is specified with your M135i Plus pack. So coming down the side of the car, we spec the mineral grey paint, which against the contrasting grey elements here, really make the car stand out, really makes it pop. We've also got the sun protection glass as part of that M135i Plus pack, which again gives the car a really nice silhouette and really enhances that sporty character. Coming around to the rear of the car, we've got the extended spoiler, and along with the horizontal lines across the bonnet and the twin tailpipes, gives it a really sporty stance, really aggressive road presence. So we'll have a look at the inside, get you all set up, and then get you on your way. So now we are sat in your brand new car, your new 135. Just going to point out a couple of things to you, that are kind of the key features for you. So we've got full digital displays for both your instrument cluster and then across your iDrive display. With your M135i pack, you've got the Harman Kardon speakers, which is definitely an option I go for every time. Sounds great. You can play around with the speaker settings and get it tailored just so. Something else that you can have tailored to your requirements are your driving modes. So we've got Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. Not imagining you'll be an Eco Pro very much, but with Sport you can tailor that to meet your needs as well. So you can still have the gentle steering with the fast thought response and engine noise. M Sport steering wheel, nice grip, makes you feel connected to the car. Also your Alcantara interior with the M Sport seats really hold you in, and I think some of the best seats we make, really comfortable as well. And then on your iDrive you've got lots of customization and to make it individual to you. Well Matt, that's the new car. Congratulations once again, and I'm very jealous.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cheers. Feels like yesterday Christian surprised me at work with all my colleagues. What a day that was. So looking forward to taking it out tonight, seeing what it can do, go see my brother, and then off to see my folks as I promised I would. Thanks again to BOTB.